All right, guys, we are doing a full-size helmet break from Series 33 Hit Parade. This was a non-eBay break that we had in our weekly email, and so every spot gives you there's one spot for $10 or three spots for 25. So every spot gives you one random NFL team. So 32 spots altogether, and this series is loaded with some big names, including. And now I'm drawing a blank on who they got. I think Saquon is in this. I'm drawing a blank. Peyton Manning is in this. Russell Wilson is in this. So those are some of the huge names that are in this break or in this series. So this is going to be box number 27 out of 100. So in this one, I've got Jeff H with 3 spots, Eric H with 1, Alan M, you've got 6 spots, Donnie has got 3, Joe S with 6, Carlton's got 3, and then John P grabbed the last 10. So that's how this break is broken up. So first thing we'll do is go ahead and randomize all 32 teams. So let's go ahead and mix this up 5 times. All right, do the same thing for the guys that are in this. Mix this up 5 times as well. All right, come on, what is that? All right, here we go. So, Alan, you've got the Saints, the Bucks, the Lions, the Browns, the Ravens, and the Raiders. Donnie, you've got the Patriots, the Redskins, and the Seahawks. Eric, you've got, what the heck? All right, Eric, yeah, sorry, dude, you only have 1 spot. So you got the Vikings. Jeff H, you've got the Cowboys, the Texans, and the Jags. Joe, you've got the Bears, Chargers, Jets, Cardinals, Broncos, and Steelers. And then John, you've got the Packers, the Colts, the Chiefs, the Panthers, the Dolphins, the Titans, the Rams, the Giants, and the Falcons, and the 49ers. And then Carlson, you've got the Bengals, the Eagles, and the Buffalo Bills. All right, so any guys that are in the room, I'll give you 30 seconds or a minute if you want to make any trades. If you guys want to mix it up at all, you can do that. And after a minute, then we'll go ahead and randomize it. All right, Richard, Steven, and Eric, we're good, man. So we'll do the Platinum Football coming up here in just a second. Bill, sorry, man, I missed your email on the Platinum Football. Yeah, John P's gone. So if you guys wanted any of his teams. Assuming he doesn't watch this video, he will never know. All right, trying to get the Packers. John P's not in here. And then the Raiders would be Allen. don't know if Alan's still with us or not. All right, so it looks like no trades. So 27 out of 100. Let's go ahead and do it. All sealed up here. Shrink wrap. No, Brady's not in this one. Peyton Manning, Russell Wilson are a couple of huge names in here. Open for the Adrian. Would that be as a Redskin? I guess not if you got the Vikings. All right, here we go. Oh, we got a Giant. Could this be Saquon or Odell Beckham? Who's got the Giants? This is going to be John P., who again is not even in here. I think that's a Landon Collins. It is not a Saquon. 21 right there. Pretty sure that's a Landon Collins. Let's double check. It is. The guy who said he was going to shut down Dak tonight. So Giants win on the random. So John, man, this is you got a LeBron bonus card coming to you and a Landon Collins autographed helmet. So have a knee replacement tomorrow. So take care, John. We're praying for you, and we'll get these items mailed out to you, which will be good.